Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to pay yourself through your LLC. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start saving money on taxes, but keep in mind this video shouldn't be construed as financial advice, so make sure to do your own research. Now, the reason why you want to pay yourself as an LLC is simply because you're going to save money with taxes. So I just created this quick diagram here where it goes over the differences between an LLC, sole proprietorship, and an S-corporation election. Essentially, an LLC is going to separate your personal assets from your business assets, and then a sole proprietorship is the simplest structure in which if your business goes into debt, your personal assets and income are liable as well. Now with an S corporation election, okay, this is available to LLCs and it's going to reduce your self-employment taxes. And so it's usually tax savings when your LLC profits exceed around $50,000 to $40,000. But with a simple calculation, let's pretend that your LLC makes $100,000. If you were to file as a sole proprietorship, the entire $100,000 would be taxed at around, let's say, 15%, which means that you'll pay a self-employment tax of $15,000. If you were to tax as an S corporation, you can send yourself a $60,000 salary and $40,000 of that as dividends. So the $60,000 at a 15% tax rate would equate to $9,000. And then the dividend portion is not subject to self-employment tax. Therefore, you would be saving around $66,000 in tax savings as compared to a sole proprietorship taxation. So in order to actually pay yourself this reasonable salary, which is required by the IRS, you do need to set up payroll. And the program that I would recommend is Gusto. So Gusto, I've been using it for over 4 years now. It's absolutely fantastic. I only pay like $45 per month in order to actually use this. So I'm going to walk through how to actually set up Gusto. And so do use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you'll actually get $100 once you submit your first payroll. So with Gusto, simply just click on the create an account button. And then you're going to reach a page that looks like this. From this page, you want to go ahead and insert your first name, last name, work email, company name, number of employees, set your password, company phone. And then once you do that, you're going to need to create your company profile, okay? So your company profile is just a series of questions that they're going to ask you. So I'll go over them one by one. So starting off with, who is your company planning to pay with Gusto? In my case, it's just myself. It might be the same case for you as well. How does your company currently run payroll? Usually it's new to running payroll. Is your company registered? You should have an EIN and your business should be registered with the IRS. So click on yes. Do you have a company bank account? So I would recommend using Chase as a business bank account just because Chase has a lot of benefits. So click on yes. If you do, no if you don't. In which states do you work? Input the states that you work. So I just input 2 states there. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So decide on which answer based on whatever accountant or bookkeeping service you use. What industry are you in? So simply just input the industry. Is your company a cannabis related business? Yes or no. Does anyone in your company need to track hours? Yes or no. From here, what is your desired first payday with Gusto? So this is up to you. I normally set up payroll to be on the 21st of every month. That's just the way that I do it, but you can set it up however you want and then click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, you're going to be recommended a package. So for this demo example, as you can see, this is the exact plan that I'm on, which is just $46 per month. It allows you to run unlimited payrolls in one state. There's higher and onboarding tools. You also get access to your W-2s and 1099s. And you can get a variety of different reportings and insights, which is really neat. So $46, very, very affordable. This is the one that I would recommend. So once you confirm the plan, there's basically 2 more things you need to set up. You need to set up your actual payroll in Gusto, and you need to actually set up your kind of like your employee account profile as well. So on the left hand side, you would just click on run payroll and then fill out all the details here. So click on continue here and then just simply fill out your address, your federal tax info, your filing address, your bank account, your pay schedule, and then just sign it. Now the next thing that you would need to fill out is your employee account. So just click on people and then click on team members and then click on add a team member. Alternatively, you can click on run payroll and then also click on this button here that says create your own profile. So click on continue there and it's going to take you to the same page. So essentially what you would need to do here is just fill out the basics. So from here, you could just enter a name, your name, last name, your work address. So again, these are all just mock demo names that I generated using ChatGPT. And then the compensation, this is where you would enter your job title, your employee type, and then the amount that you want to be paid per year. So in this case, I'm just going to choose 60,000. No, I'm not tax exempt, and then click on save and continue. So from these series of prompts, you just need to enter your employee info, your tax selections, and then set up your payment. So those are the two things that you need to do in order to actually set up payroll on Gusto. But with that being said, that's essentially how you set yourself up to actually pay yourself through your LLC. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and we'll each get $100 once you do run your first payroll. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.